Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the rabbit trail that we have created for Evergreen Content methodologies. We're back, Jen Cochrane with Jen Williams, and she is going to be talking about niche keywords on this episode.
Yes, so we're going to jump right into our third method of creating evergreen content. If you haven't seen part 1 and 2, go check those out. It's on our 2 Facebook groups, Mind Her Business and Business with a Plan. And we're going to jump into part 3 about creating evergreen content for your niche market. So what I mean by that is creating a blog post or a blurb on your page, on your website, and you're going to be keyword heavy in things that relate to your market, to your audience. So there's a few ways to go about this. First, you need the keywords. You need to find them. Simply coming up with a list of what you think the keywords are doesn't cut it. I think a lot of people go that route and it sounds great in their head. You know what your market is, so you can make a list. It doesn't necessarily work that way. So I would highly suggest hopping over to Google Analytics. They offer a lot of free stuff on there and really can help you find those keywords that people are actually searching in your target audience. So if you don't have your target audience defined first, that might be where you want to start. Clearly define your target audience so when you're using those analytic tools, they will help you find truly what your audience is searching. Make a giant list of everything they're searching to get to you, to get to people in your area. You want to know everything they're using. Another thing you can do is you can hop over to gurus in your niche and see what they're talking about, see what they're using for evergreen content. I am not implying you copy at all whatsoever, no, but
Find inspiration.
But they're going to know which keywords to hit because they've done it. They've already done it right. They're going to know which ones to hit. So make a giant list of all these keywords. Then you're going to sit down and you're going to create your article based on however many you can hit. So you might have a good idea for an article, but it may only hit 1 or 2 of these keywords. Probably not going to be the best for your evergreen. Save that one on the list for something else for your blog down the line. This article right now, to hit the evergreen, you really want it to be as many of those keywords as possible. So really take some time to brainstorm what relevant topic could you use to hit as many of those keywords as possible. Like I said, if you need inspiration, go on to their blogs, go into the guru blogs, see what they're talking about, get some inspiration for the article title, but the article itself should be filled with those exact keywords and use them. One thing that's really hard when doing this is using it organically. If you just copy and paste those terms and those keywords, it's going to sound really, really bad.
Robotic.
Exactly. My little tip, what I do is I will voice record those. And I know that sounds a little funny, but I will pull out my recorder on my iPhone and I will voice record it because when you're having a conversation with someone, you sound a lot more organic than you do when you're typing on the computer.
Good idea.
It's a lot easier. Yes. So I will start with that, and that's my base. Now, I edit that and I insert keywords, but that's my base, and it gives it a nice flow for feeling like a conversation. And that's really going to help to hit those keywords organically. Now, you can create a lot of other blog posts that also use those keywords, and I highly suggest you do. But this one itself is going to be more of an article that stays still. It's timeless. That's why it's evergreen, because it's always going to be relevant. It's always going to hit it. It's going to help with the SEO. But more importantly, when they come to your page, they're going to see things they've already been searching because you based your article off of what they were searching. So they're going to relate to you in that manner too. So I hope that helped with creating evergreen content based on your niche market. And we are going to hop over and do the 4th type on Jen Cochrane, or Jen Cochrane's going to be doing it. It's actually going to be housed on my Facebook business page. And the last one is creating top 10 lists using keywords. So
awesome. And we'll have the link right up there.
Yes.